Now, this is the glue here. I just got it from Amazon. You can get it from any model store. It's a Revel, but it's a special type of glue. It's contactor professional glue. Now, they've recommended for alloys, for acrylics, to use this glue because it bonds really well. It mixes the two parts together, and that's what makes that strong bond. So we'll give it a go. Right, so we're only going to peel off part of it because I don't really want to wreck the other sides. So, the idea is to keep the scratches down to a minimum. And then we'll just apply this. You can just use, I don't know, something else to squeeze it out just to make doubly sure. Just a bit of tissue or something, just to make sure it's going to come out, and later on you can there we go. Just one check, make doubly sure that's all sweet. Because you don't want any gaps. Don't worry on that side. No, she's all right. Okay, right, here we go. Sorry if my hand's in the way. Okay, so there we go. Interesting part will be whether that actually makes the bond. And we'll just let that dry for a little while. I can see how it's sort of gone underneath, but it hasn't really gone underneath that much. Hopefully a bit more success on this edge. Now, if this doesn't work, well, I suppose we should be using a different type of glue. Now, the other problem is, of course, when you push it against the edge, you'll notice I'm pushing my thumb down hard on top, but I'm not pushing this too far this way. Otherwise, what happens is it will push it out again. And I think that's what I did on the other one. I pushed it too far, but luckily it didn't bond so well, so therefore I can probably put that aside now, and we'll let it dry, and then I'll do a bead down the other side, and we'll come back to it. Just make a bit of a wave. The other end, same sort of thing. Should have done this on the other side. Oh well. Live and learn. Okay. Push that over. Make sure no glue goes anywhere else. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, this is the up. So I don't think I could do that twice. Perfect. Right, that's that part done. So now what we're going to do, probably going to change the design again. You'll see that, in fact, it's probably been presented to you already, but what I want to do is, there'll be some draw marks in here, so the other part that's going to come through here, we're going to have as vertical. So we're doing that. Next door neighbour's a bit loud. Okay, so that's really good. That's going to be a good fit. So just for sakes, I know that's the second side and the other one was the first side. And the reason why I'm marking that is because I need to know which side I have to go down with the bead, the glue on the other side. I might not need to actually, because this is going to go onto a base anyway, so it's probably not going to move. It's going to be quite solid, but it probably wouldn't hurt to do that. Okay, I'll just put that to the side, and then after that dries out, I'll be able to then put the other part together, which will be the base. And I've decided to have it so there's going to be now verticals off a base, as you can probably imagine. That's going to be a lot higher for them to dig down, and then we'll have a terrarium which is next door to it that they can go walk into. It'll be easy to feed, so I've got to put that together. Okay.